core of Kaged Muscle is a world-class team of scientists, formulators, and athletes. This team was assembled to create the product line that's built on legitimate science and strive for ultimate performance. KM products are developed, tested, and retested over a period of years, both in a lab and in real-world settings, such as the gym and on the field. We are committed to evaluating the latest human clinical data on important nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals in order to hone in on the latest physique and performance-enhancing ingredients. We're constantly discovering and putting ingredients through stringent testing in order to bring you the most cutting-edge, science-backed products. Moreover, the KM team collaborates with leading academic institutions around the world to remain at the forefront of nutritional science. The more independent tests I had conducted on varying supplements, the more I became aware that something else was needed on the market. I was quite shocked to find that most of the best-selling products didn't contain effective ingredient amounts. And they used mostly generic ingredients rather than patented, and they sourced amino acids from bird feathers, pig fur, and human hair. Furthermore, they hydrolyzed their proteins by heat or chemicals, all while marketing their products as superior in quality. I wanted a supplement line created from the purest ingredients to support improved performance. Over an intense 28-month period consisting of cutting-edge research, extensive testing, and a passion for excellence, Kaged Muscle was developed. We traveled the world in search of the highest quality ingredients available. Every ingredient was rigorously tested under a variety of conditions, both on myself as well as multiple other athletes. From the lab to the weight room and the playing field, the outcomes of these tests were nothing short of astonishing. We now have a line of KM products that are built on legitimate science so that you get what you pay for. I test the team's ideas and concepts in the gym and they perfect the results in the lab. While developing KM, we wanted to make sure that not only that every product works, but is also safe. The end result? Formulations that enhance performance and support the intense physical demands athletes face day in and day out. If an ingredient fails to be backed by science, it simply doesn't cut for KM.